Hello, my name is Hello, my name is Carlos Quiñones, and today I'm going to be presenting lab number 6, which is Kirchhoff's laws. This lab consists of validating Kirchhoff's laws through by comparing different ways of analyzing the same circuit. These ways are the experimentally through uh, creating the circuit on a breadboard and analyzing it through a multimeter, while simulating it with a what was the application called? Falstad application, and then theoretically through Kirchhoff's voltage law and current law. Um, this is an example of how the circuit looked in the Falstad simulator. As you can see, it simulated the voltage at each node, the current passing through each resistor, and every resistor value. The equipment used was the Espotec Labrador board, including the software, two jumper cables, and this one. Cables, and a 720 ohm resistor, 1.k ohm resistor, 1.5k resistor, and the breadboard, and obviously the multimeter to calculate them. I think I have it. These are the theoretical values that were calculated using Kirchhoff's law and Ohm's law. As you can see, they differ only slightly from the simulation values. This can be attributed to the simulating errors such as uh what was it called? Connection, such as the resistance of the circuit. Yeah. That was part one of the experiment. The first circuit analysis. As you can see, it's only comparing the theoretical and the simulation. Then in part two, we have these three tables that compare the simulated, calculated, and the measured. As you can see, they differ. The measured differs a lot more from the calculated, as does the simulation. This can be attributed to my human error as an experimenter, either lack of proper connections in the breadboard or lack of proper use of the multimeter. These are some examples of the computations done. Um, in conclusion, the lab was effective in that it proved that through these three methods of the right word's not simulating, but these methods of analyzing the same circuit through different means. We can see that in every single case, even though there are fluctuations in the values, they still closely follow Kirchhoff's law and through proxy Ohm's law. Reflecting on this lab, I can see many uses in the day-to-day life, in the applications. I mean, for example, basic circuit analysis, uh, mm, and electronic repairs. A fundamental understanding of this is needed for any and every circuit construction. Thank you. Have a good day.